When we get touched, when we hug or hold hands, or get a massage, or there's some kind of nurturing touch that we experience, and it doesn't have to be sexual, right? It doesn't have to be sexual touch, but just, some kind of nurturing, caring touch, then the level of cortisol drops. There's a release of a couple of other hormones. There's one called dopamine, which is associated with the experience of pleasure. There's a hormone called oxytocin, which is a kind of a human bonding hormone. That's one of the hormones that's released when a mother is nursing, that helps stimulate the bond between the mother and child. And oxytocin is also another hormone that is released during sex, that helps facilitate the bonding between partners. The third one is serotonin, which is a neurochemical, a brain chemical, that is responsible for helping to stabilize or elevate mood. In fact, there's a whole class of antidepressants that are called SSRIs, which stands for selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, such as Prozac and Zoloft and all of those. And the mechanism of action of those antidepressants is to elevate levels of serotonin in the brain to help people who are feeling depressed and lethargic and have a depressed mood. Now, it doesn't work for everybody, but that's the mechanism of action for that class of antidepressants. And so literally just through human touch, not only do we experience the physical pleasure of that touch, but it also helps to elevate mood through the release of serotonin, and also just helps stimulate that sense of bonding, that sense of connection, that sense of being present with others.